Tornado warning is in your area. Oh my gosh, there's a tornado. Whoosh. Help, I'm getting sucked into the tornado. Ah, it's pulling me in.
I can't believe you think banana fudge sundae is at dinner.
Help me. You want to punch now? Yes, please. Ah! Wait, I hear. Ah! Wait, punch her doing that. Yeah, punch it. Come on. Yeah, I want to fight. Ah, no, get back from me. Where is he? Where'd he go? Ah, the tornado. Beep, pause the story. Part 5. He's not going to be outside because the storm. He's going to be inside because it's raining outside. Oh, why? I said I was going to add rain noise. But I don't know. Can that happen till maybe a while? So let's keep going with our story. Next video could be Timmy and Keycraft. Yeah, we should do a Keycraft one. So let's get back with our story. That's gonna be our next one. Keycraft and Timmy. That's gonna be so fun. Can't wait to do that. Oh, let's get back with the story. It looks like you pushed the tornado away for a little bit. I know, but there's still storm. Wait, it says Carlo. Oh no, that did so good. It's huge now. That thing's huge. Huge. Oh, and pause again. The tornado's gonna be gone again in part 5, but there's still gonna be a lot of rain. Maybe it could be flooding under his feet. Ah! See you in part 5! Will he survive? Who knows? See you in part 5.